Welcome to the CGC Homes YouTube channel. Introducing Radiance Floresta is an upscale residential project by Radiance Realty, located in Chikkagubbi, just off Hennur Road, in North Bangalore. Radiance Floresta provides top-notch amenities for a modern, comfortable lifestyle. The development includes a fully equipped clubhouse, landscaped gardens, a gymnasium, a swimming pool, outdoor sports courts, recreation rooms, and a children's play area. Residents can also enjoy a party hall for gatherings and celebrations, all within a secure gated community with 24/7 security. The project offers spacious 3.5 BHK duplex villas and penthouses, featuring high ceilings, luxurious interiors, private terraces, and Vastu-compliant designs. The combination of elegance and functionality makes Radiance Floresta stand out as a premier residential option. Embrace a luxurious lifestyle at Radiance Florida. Contact us today to schedule a site visit.